So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-lock ang ating GCash Visa card sa mobile app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating GCash app. So ilagin lang natin guys yung ating account. So, ayan guys, pagka-open, kung nakalink yung ating GCash Visa card dito sa ating GCash app, pwede nating i-lock anytime para sa security ng ating GCash account. So, ganito guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, itap lang natin yung cards. So, ayan guys, pagka-tap, piliin lang natin yung ating GCash Visa. And ayan guys, dito kung makikita nyo, pagka-open, may makikita kayo ditong lock card. So, para ma-lock natin yung ating card, itatap lang natin ito. And ayan guys, may magpa-pop up. So, piliin lang natin ulit dito yung lock card. So, sabi dito, you can temporarily lock your card to block any transaction. So, pwede nating i-lock yung ating card para daw ma-block yung mga any unnecessary transaction. So, makakatulong to guys in case na halimbawa mawala yung ating GCash card, pwede nating i-lock dito sa ating mobile phone gamit yung ating GCash app. So, pwede naman ulit natin tong i-unlock kapag gusto nyo siyang i-unlock. So, tap natin yung lock card. And ayan guys, kapag nakaganyan na, ibig sabihin nakalock na yung ating GCash Visa card sa ating GCash app. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!